Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 11 ways you can make money online in 2025. That's right, we're going all out, giving you more ways to potentially become richer than ever. Listen, whether you're trying to make some side cash for a new gaming PC, a down payment on a Tesla, or just trying to escape the 9-to-5 grind, there's an online hustle out there for you. We're talking real, legitimate ways to make money, all from your laptop. So buckle up, because I'm about to break down each method step by step and show you exactly how to get started. Let's do this! First up, we're talking freelancing. This is how I got my start, and honestly, it's still one of the best ways to make money online. Whether you're a wordsmith, a coding ninja, a design guru, or a marketing mastermind, there's a freelance gig out there for you. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are overflowing with people looking for talented individuals just like you. And the best part? You're your own boss. Set your own hours, work from anywhere in the world, and rake in the dough. If you've got a personality and a passion, content creation could be your golden ticket. We're talking YouTube, baby. Start a channel, share your knowledge, entertain the masses, and watch the subscribers and the money roll in. Don't forget about blogging. Share your thoughts, your expertise, anything. Monetize with ads, affiliate links, the works. And hey, TikTok, Instagram, it's all about that short-form video content these days. Build a following and brands will be lining up to sponsor you. Ever dream of running your own business? E-commerce is where it's at. Dropshipping is like magic. You sell products without ever touching them. Platforms like Shopify make it crazy easy. Or how about designing awesome t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, whatever you can imagine, and selling them on demand with Printful or Redbubble. And of course, there's the king of e-commerce, Amazon. Sell your own products or become an FBA master. Packing and shipping is for the birds. The sky's the limit with e-commerce, people. Are you a whiz at something? Good at math? Amazing at Photoshop? Share your knowledge and make bank? Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable let you create and sell online courses. You could be teaching thousands of people from around the globe, or keep it one-on-one with online tutoring. Help students conquer their academic demons on platforms like VIPKid or TutorMe. Sharing is caring, and in this case, it can also be very profitable. All right, all you photographers, videographers, musicians, and sound designers, this one's for you. Turn your creative passion into passive income by selling stock content. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Pond5 are always hungry for high-quality photos, videos, music, and sound effects. Every time someone downloads your masterpiece, you get paid. It's like printing money while you sleep. The more you create, the more you can earn. Who says you need an office to make money? Tons of companies are embracing the remote work revolution. We're talking customer service, tech support, project management, software development, the list goes on and on. Websites like We Work Remotely, Remote OK, and AngelList are gold mines for remote job seekers. Find a company that aligns with your skills and start living the remote work dream. All right, time to level up your financial game. Investing isn't just for Wall Street hotshots anymore. Apps like Robinhood and E*Trade make it easy to get started with stocks and ETFs. Want to ride the crypto wave? Binance and Coinbase have got you covered. But remember, investing always comes with risks. Do your research, start small, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Looking for some quick and easy ways to make money in your spare time? Online surveys and microtasks are the way to go. Sign up for websites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, or Amazon Mechanical Turk and get paid for completing simple tasks. We're talking about taking surveys, watching videos, testing websites, even just identifying objects in images. It's not a lot of money per task, but it can add up over time. All right, gamers, this one's for you. Did you know you can actually make a living playing video games? I'm not kidding. Live stream your gameplay on Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook Gaming. Build a loyal audience and monetize through ads, donations, and sponsorships. If you're a competitive beast, dive into the world of esports, where win tournaments, get signed to a professional team, and rake in the big bucks. Or become a game tester and get paid to play games before they're even released. Have a dedicated following that craves your content? Then subscription platforms are your new best friend. Platforms like Patreon, Substack, and Ko-Fi allow you to offer exclusive content, perks, and community features to your loyal subscribers. Whether you're a writer, artist, musician, or podcaster, subscription platforms give you a direct way to monetize your passion and build a deeper connection with your audience. Hold on tight, because the future is here and it's powered by AI. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we work, and it's creating a ton of new opportunities to make money online. Use AI tools to create stunning artwork, write compelling content, or even develop your own apps and software. Learn how to code AI applications, build ChatGPT plugins, or create automation scripts that businesses will pay top dollar for. The possibilities with AI are endless, so get on board and ride the wave of the future. And there you have it, folks. Those are the top 11 ways to make money online in 2025. We've covered everything from freelancing and content creation to e-commerce and AI. The opportunities are out there and the potential is limitless. Remember, the key to success is to choose a path that aligns with your skills, passions, and goals. Don't be afraid to experiment, put in the work, and never give up on your dreams of financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And let me know in the comments down below which online money-making method you're most excited to try. Until next time, peace out.